Creating private name servers at GoDaddy.com. This demo assumes you have a domain name registered through GoDaddy.com and starts from their home page. Now let's learn how to create our own custom private name servers. Click here and log into your GoDaddy.com account. Click the Domains section. Then click Manage for the domain name you want to create name servers for. Under Host Names, click the Manage link. Enter your new private name servers here. Each name server requires its own IP address. Enter that here. Click Save when finished. That's it! You've successfully created custom private name servers for your domain name. Please note that it could take up to 24 hours for your new private name servers to propagate and be recognized across the Internet. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create private name servers at GoDaddy.com.